You know, failing is one of the greatest things that can happen to you. A lot of people will be worried about failing and they'll focus on the failing. But you know, like, say I just passed one of my master's assignments and got 75%, and that's master's level, that's really high. But in another one, I failed and got 45%, just 5% away from a pass. And then I'm thinking like, what did I need to do? What little things could I do to just get the 50% to pass? But now I've done it, I realized like it's such a great thing because I had to redo this assignment. Although I could keep lots of bits in it, but by redoing it, I now know exactly how to write in that way. Now know what was missing. I know the mistakes. I now have done it to a better level, to a greater standard because you failed. Because if I got the bare minimum pass and got that and I went through, I wouldn't have known my potential. I wouldn't have known there's something better there for me. I could do better. So just like even in relationship, some people focus on their failed divorces or failed partnerships or failed whatever. They don't think about actually, maybe there's something better. Maybe there's something to learn so the next one will be better. Maybe it's a good thing we failed. Even in maths, like as a teacher, some people will be thinking like, they don't want to make a mistake. They don't want to do or try certain things in case they make the mistake. But mistakes are so great. It's like when you know you've done an equation wrong, you've done something wrong, it stays in your brain. You remember that mistake. Whereas if you just done everything right, you wouldn't actually sometimes know whether it was right or what was wrong. But when you do a mistake, you remember, that's where I went wrong. It more stays in you. So mistakes are great. Same in Taekwondo. You might be doing something and someone gives you a correction and you realize, okay, that's why I can't do that to that level or stuff. Like mistakes are so powerful. But sometimes we focus on the wrong things. So I could have focused on the fact that I did do one assignment and got 75%, which is high, which is great. Because remember, this is master's level. But my focus was stuck on how did I fail that one? Was that person right? I was thinking I'm going to appeal, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. But then I had to think, actually, maybe they're a teacher. Maybe they do know what they're saying. Maybe I should listen and be humble and realize maybe I can learn from this mistake.